see the so I'm going to do a video on division called the sharing method, which is quite an ingenious way of doing this. And actually, I think a fourth grader taught me this, so I was pretty impressed. It's slightly different from the normal division algorithm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at 8. I'm going to say how many times does 8 go into 238, and I have absolutely no idea. I do know it's going to be less than 11 times because I know 11 times 8 is 88. And the idea is that you're not actually going to figure it out exactly. You're going to come pretty close. And using numbers like 11 is pretty easy because 8 times 11 is 88. I subtract, I get 0, and I say 230 minus 80 is 15. So I'm left with 150. Well, I also say how many times 8 go into 150? Well, I'm still not really sure. So I'm going to say I know it definitely goes in 10 times. And so when I do this, I get 70. And I say, oh, okay, well, 8 times 8 goes into 70, how many times? And even if I'm still not sure, I could say, well, I know 8 goes in at least 5 times, so 5 times 8 is 40. And I'm now down to 30. And I say, oh, I know, that's going to be 3. I'm going to be left with, I go 3 times 8 is 24. That gives me a 6. But 8 doesn't go into 6. So this is my remainder. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add this up. 11 plus 10 is 21. 21 and 5 is 26. 27, 28, 29. It's 29 with a remainder of 6 eighths. Well, 6 eighths, as you may or may not know, is really 3/4. So your answer is 29 3/4, or, and you should know that 3/4 is 75 cents, so it's 29.75. I'll do another quick example of the sharing method. And let me just erase this one. Let's say 308 divided by 7. So once again, let's say I'm really not good with my multiplication, so I'm going to say 10. 7 times 10 is 70. But I am good at subtraction, so I can say that's going to be 8. And that's going to be 23. Alright, so I'm going to say, oh, I'll do 10 again. 70. It's going to be 8. 23 minus 7 is 16. And I say, alright, well, I can do 10 all day long. And that's going to be 8. And that's going to be a 9. And I do 10 again. I get 70 again, which is not exactly the most preferred method. But take a look at this. Oh, haha. I have 28. And I do know that 7 goes into 28 4 times. And that leaves me with the remainder. So what's 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10? That's 40. Plus 4 is 44. So 308 divided by 7 is 44. That's actually pretty slick. I just made those numbers up. I'll try one more. 318 divided by 5. And because, you know what? Let's make this into 3,182 divided by 5. Alright, so I'm going to say 100, because that's going to be 500. So 2, 8, that's going to be, look at that. I'm going to do 100 again. 500. And that's going to be 2182. Well, look at this. If 100 gives me 500, then 200 should give me 1,000. Alright, so 200 gives me 1,000. So 1,182. I'm going to do 200 again to get even further. 1,000 again gives me 182. Let's see. I need 100 now. Well, I know 20 nickels gives me $1. So there you go. So I'm left with 82. I'll go back to 10. It gives me 50. 10 times 5 is 50, which gives me 32. Oh, alright. Now I have 32. I know that's going to be 6. And that gives me a remainder of 2, which means 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 620, 630, 636, and 2/5. And you should know that 2/5. Wait. Oops. You should know that 2/5 is the same as 0.4. because I haven't done the sharing method recently, I'm going to just verify my work real quick. 3182 divided by 5, 6, 30. This is the old algorithm, which people may remember. 2, 6, 30, 2, point, bring down my 0. 636.4. Haha, and it works. Alright, anyway, that's the sharing method. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks a lot.